We're in the energy business. So 2 hours a day, sometimes my days are filled with just talking to people, whether they buy or not, because in order for us to learn the pain that's in the world, we let them give the pain to us. I contact the herbalist and say, this is the pain that's out. We have our meetings and we say, okay, this guy in New York, he has this job, he's working hard, he's going to always eat meat. How we're going to treat 1,000 people eat meat? How are we going to teach them? We're not going to tell them not to do it. We're going to teach them how to do it, right? But we'll teach people how to live their life. We're not going to tell them not to live their life, right? You see what I'm saying? So for most clients who quit smoking and people who stay with us, the first thing we try to do is to get to know them, not just their health issues, because we believe the health starts with the mind.
You guys, I mean, man, the time that you put into people, you guys, man, y'all put so much into people, man, and y'all want everybody to win.
Yes.
It's not about, okay, well, I have this and I have that. But like I told you, I won't say names, but, I gave everybody a chance.
Spiritually, if you stay focused on the information between me and you, nobody else exists. So if nobody else exists, we're in our circle. So spiritually, what we practice is if me and you stay in our circle, we're focused on our village, our issues.
You're right.
And what we try to teach our people is when they say, oh, who's they? I don't know who you're talking about. Who's they?
Yeah, you're right.
Right now, it's just me and you. There's nobody.
Yeah.
So what we do with the mind is to lock off any other energy. Because the brain is a funny thing. Once it starts thinking that something is bad, that energy comes in the circle. So what we do, we keep everything in the circle we're building good.
Okay.
So when we're teaching, we're not saying this is bad for you. We say how to deal with it in the circle, how to live. So we don't preach anything negative in the circle, and we don't see anybody. We don't see a system. We don't see a country. All we see is all that works. This is going to work for you. This is going to work. And so we keep our mind in that space. You see what I'm saying, bro?